literally been just sleeping. Not even sleeping, just laying on my bed how tired I am, because we did get home around like 5 a.m. in the morning. Literally, I was supposed to vlog just this Halloween party, but yo girl was a little bit tired and was like, just, you know, fuck it. I was gonna go all out for that Halloween party, but your girl was just like, fuck it. We're just gonna do some simple shit. If you see my Instagram, you'll see that I really didn't do no effort for this Halloween party, literally. But there's gonna be a Halloween video coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I suck, I literally do. But yeah, it's right now, it's, what time is it? It's 4:52. And my best friend literally went back home, and she's gonna come back because we were supposed to go to Dave & Buster for her birthday, which I am gonna vlog that. It's supposed to be at 7, but then she pushed it back at 8 because we're like literally tired. Like literally tired. So yeah, I'm just gonna stay here and relax, and when she comes we're gonna go eat in my living room. And I'm just gonna watch a little bit of Emma. Like, if you don't know her, I believe she's like the best YouTuber right now so far. I love her to death, so I'm gonna be watching that for a while. I'm gonna be watching her for like her channel, because I've always like repeat her videos over and over again, just like I did with Shane Dawson's. Shay Dawson's, love him. But yeah, like today I was supposed to do a video, but your girl's tired, so, and we have plenty of content because I did a lot of content Friday, so I think we'll be fine. But this is what we're gonna do for right now. I'll see you guys later, and probably in a different, you know, different hair, different, just not a mess. Just, let's just say not a mess. Just know, this is like 100% me at all times. If I'm not out, this is how I look. So yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys later, and I'm just gonna rest and cuddle and just stay in my bed. Literally just stay in my bed because I'm tired. So bye guys. So I'm home. I forgot to vlog because, girl, when I tell you, literally they were like, it was $25 for like endless wings, and you know, a lot of game, like a little card with endless games. So I wasn't really gonna go and vlog, like take my camera while I could be playing games and eating wings. But right now it's 1:22. I don't have anything to do tomorrow morning. If I do wake up early, I'll probably do a video, but I don't know. They still, my friends haven't decided if we're going to a Korean barbecue or not. But I'm going to get undressed, go grab water, and take my birth control because I always, you know, switch timing. And I'm probably gonna watch some videos on YouTube and check my stuff on YouTube, and then I'll be back to talk to you guys a little bit. Hey guys, it's literally Monday afternoon, and I'm like dreading to get up because I gotta go to school. I got class at 6, I believe, and literally I'm dreading to get up. I'm like literally dreading, and this shit is really like tight. Why is this shit tight? But it's cold outside. I don't want to get up. Oh my god. And I gotta brush my teeth again because I had just had like a soup. And did I just snore? Oh my fucking god. But yeah, I gotta go brush my teeth. I'm redoing washing my face because literally my face looked like I just woke up. But I don't want to get up. I'm so tired. Like literally really fucking tired. But I am gonna do it because I have to. Why is my camera like, okay, I need you to focus. focus. I'm still trying to like learn how to do this, so I'm gonna like learn how I can focus this out. And hey guys, so it's literally Thursday night. I'm gonna really go to sleep, and I haven't vlogged because I've been sick for 3 days. Literally, I've been sick, and like I have sore throat, fever, so I haven't been like, you know, doing videos like that. And I don't know what I'm gonna do for next week's videos. I know I do want to have like a little 1-minute clip video for Tuesday for like an announcement that I have to make for you guys, but I probably do this vlogging thing, which is literally all over the place, on next Saturday. I'm thinking about it, I'm not sure, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Hopefully tomorrow I'm feeling better and I will knock out a couple of videos. NyQuil literally knocks me out. I've been taking NyQuil for like 3 days now. I do feel a little bit like swollen. I don't know what's the problem with that, so I probably will go on Monday to the doctor, because I'm off Monday and I can go early in the morning, 9:30, literally walk in no time. This, I'm trying to get it better, so I put like tree tea oil and a little bit of the A&D. We'll see how that works. I'm trying to get rid of this. If not, I'm literally going to go to a dermatologist, probably do like give her recommendations to do a chemical peel or laser removal, because I'm like, this area right here, it's literally the dark spots from like my acne when I used to have them. Yeah, I'll probably do either chemical peel or laser removal for these dark spots. I'm probably gonna do that. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll catch you on Friday. Hopefully I will be recording. And really tired. I'm really freaking tired, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I did vlog going on the train, but I didn't vlog getting home. So it's literally 6:55. I took a whole nap because I took some NyQuil. Like I told you last night, I still am horribly sick. I've been having these fevers, and literally I've been taking NyQuil. I know for a fact it's a flu, so I've been quarantining myself in my room. I literally just did a whole brand new video, just like an announcement video for you guys to like, you know what's up and know what's coming up next year, since you guys voted for the most thing on my Instagram. But I'm just gonna relax, edit this video real quick for Tuesday, and just lay down because I am in such pain. And I'm also like a little bit swollen, mostly because of the birth control, which I called my doctor. He says it's normal just to drink a lot of water so it can come out. It will like decrease the swelling a little bit. In a couple of weeks it will just be fine, so we'll see about it. I don't know, right now I'm also moody because I'm my period, but I love this lighting this way. Literally love this lighting, and love the fact that I can see a cup right behind my thing. I feel like I'm a collector of cups, and I don't know how that happens, because literally I have like a bunch of cups in my room, and I don't know how the hell they got there, literally. And I think they're mostly water, because I drink a lot of water. So I think I'm just gonna buy like a whole entire gallon of water and just refill it and bring it in my room, because most of these cups is just water. I don't drink juice. This one I just got because I like milk. I need calcium, so milk it is. But there's a lot of cups, and they're all just water. Even like a bottle of water right here. So I think I'm gonna do that. Get a whole entire gallon of water and just refill it, keep refilling it, because literally, where are these cups coming from? Literally. I don't know. Huh. I don't know what else to do. Just lay here. I'll probably go to my brother's room so I can vlog a little bit of that. I was supposed to go out. The cold and my sickness didn't want me to do it. Like, my skin literally, like, I'm breaking out right here. This is how you know I'm getting my, like, I'm on my period. But I've been using this for, like, right here. I've been using the tree tea oil and the A&D, which smooths it out, and literally it's been working. And here it's been smooth little by little, so I need to stop picking it, but I'm gonna put the tea tree oil a little bit more so I can feel better about myself, and probably get it a little bit not dry. But I'm still going to dermatologist to get rid of this and figure out my face structure. Like, I barely get pimples, only when I'm like either stressed or period. Other than that, I don't get that much of a acne. Never did in my life. Just these, but I put menthol. That's about it. But I'm gonna go and finish doing this, and then I'll be back in my natural habitat in my, you know, room. So I literally just ate, and it's just turned 11 o'clock. I posted the video for next week. I'm starting to get a little bit like lightheaded in a way, and just my body's aching again, so I probably will take NyQuil. I haven't taken it since 12 because I don't like putting a lot of medicine in my body, but I've been drinking a lot of orange juice, you know, it's doing a lot. But I'm really, I hate having the freaking flu, so I'm gonna just go take some NyQuil. It will probably knock me out. I'll try to stay up as much as possible. I am still tired a little bit. I don't know why. I need to start doing my vitamins again. But yeah, I finished the video, edited, pushed myself to do it because I was just like over it. And my hair looks a disaster, so nothing out of the ordinary. I'm going to go to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to struggle to get to Brooklyn. This right here is like bothering. It's like, I don't know if it's peeling because of the A&D. I'm not sure, but it's doing whatever I want to do. But tomorrow I'm gonna have to struggle. I'm just so tired. But I think I'm gonna call it a night. I see you guys probably tomorrow. And I'll just see you guys tomorrow. I'm tired. Peace.